when I'm trying to delete from a leaf node which has no children, then I can simply delete and delete the pointer, free the pointer to null. Then deletion causes no problem. But while deleting, if the minimum number of keys that should be present in the node, वो वाली condition अगर violate हो रही है, in that case I will combine it. Then I combine together with the parent, one key in the parent node. So now parent से combine करने पे भी supposedly some less keys are happening. हम parent की एक key को child में लाके combine कर देंगे. Supposedly I am trying to delete a 50 over here. So deleting a 50, there is only one key present here, one key we don't want. So what I do, I take a key from the parent and I put it over here. Now when taking a key from the parent, what happens here is, what is happening over here? यहाँ पे भी key कम हो गई. So recursively I do the same process. We will see in the example. So this happens when I am deleting a leaf node. When I am trying to delete a non-leaf node, that means it has some children. So either I look in the in order successor or in order predecessor. Generally हम in order successor या predecessor कोई भी ले सकते हैं. अगर last है तो उसका successor में issue होगा. So from in order successor or in order predecessor, I replace the node. After replacing, again I have to check if the children are less. Agar child mein the number of keys has reduced, then we combine them and we continue the repeated process. Now let us see example for what I am trying to say. Let us see examples. Supposedly, I want to delete 190. Now to delete 190, it is a leaf node. It is a leaf node. I delete 190 from here. This is deleted. It causes no issue. There are still two children. It's an order 5 tree in my example. 5 by 2 की जो floor value है, that is 2. Minimum 2 children should be there root node के अलावा सब में. So minimum 2 children are there. It can have maximum 4 children in any node. Sorry, maximum 5 children in any node and maximum 4 keys in any node. So if you can see, there are 2 keys still here. So minimum 2 keys wali condition is satisfied. This is satisfied. 190 is deleted. This becomes my new tree after deletion of 190. Supposedly now I want to delete a 60, which is a non-leaf node. When I want to delete 60, I take its in order successor and I put it here and I delete 60. So I replace this 60 with the in order successor so that 70 is copied here and it gets deleted and 70 gets deleted. उसे replace करने के बाद replaced node को delete करा है. Recursively again वैसे ही delete करा है. अगर दोबारा वो किसी का parent होता, दोबारा parent होता, दोबारा parent होता, तो same thing would have happened. So now it is deleted. It was a leaf node, so it has been deleted, and thus is still having 2 children, so no condition violated. It still holds. Now supposedly I want to delete 40 is happening from here. When I'm doing a delete 40, then 40 is a leaf node. Since it's a leaf node, it is deleted. After deleting, the minimum number of nodes are not there. It was the left side node. So left side of the parent, predecessor जो है, that will be copied here. क्योंकि वो 50 से छोटा नोड है तो प्रेडिसेसर इज कॉपीड. अगर 50 से बड़ा नोड डिलीट होता तो सक्सेसर कॉपी करते. So since this node has to be replaced, so we are copying the predecessor 30 over here. 30 comes here to maintain the minimum number of children. Now इसमें minimum है, but this parent is not having minimum number of children. So here what am I doing? जब leaf node के deletion में ये problem हुई, here I am taking the successor of this. Immediately इससे just one छोटा, this I am copying over here. Again this is causing no error, so the chain stops. This becomes my tree. Okay, clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now when I am saying that supposedly I want to delete 140, so what is happening? This is again a leaf node. When I want to delete this, I delete this node. Now minimum is a problem. Minimum number of children is not there. So since it was again the left, I go to the predecessor. I copy the predecessor from the parent. 135 comes here. Now the parent does not have minimum number of nodes. So again look at the predecessor. But I cannot copy from here. वरना इसके भी minimum number of nodes चले जाएंगे. I cannot copy from here. So what do? I combine the children. I combine the children over here so that ज़्यादा children हो जाए. So I can copy a node from here. When minimum nodes की condition fulfill नहीं हो रही, so I am combining these two children. I cannot copy 120 here. ये 1 ही रह जाएगा. ये कहाँ से copy करेगा फिर? Not possible ना? So I combine these two children. These are now combined. Now the problem is that this 185 is now only 185 is now only having a one key. At least two keys should be there because it is a child of the root node. तो कम से कम 2 keys तो होनी चाहिए इसमें. Now for it to have at least 2 keys, I am saying that this 185 goes into the root node. This 185 will now be merged with the parent node. Parent node से merge करना. When I am trying to merge it with the parent node, I am merging all of them. Parent node को खत्म करना तो parent has to be merged here. Is it possible to merge it here? Yes, it is possible because then the number of keys will be 4. So I am merging 105 comes here. Now 105 or 185 के बीच में से this is going. This becomes the new tree. So I merge the parent and the children. Pointer जो है वहां से वो still remaining the same. This becomes my new B tree. Should we take another example? Is this clear to all? No. From this B tree, supposedly I want to delete some nodes. So first of all, I try to delete a node 8. Another example of deletion. It is again a given that it is order 5 B tree. 5-way tree है. ठीक है? So I am having this again a B tree of order 5 is given to me. 5 का मतलब है maximum 5 children and 5 children maximum and 4 keys maximum are allowed per node. ये condition तो रहेगी. In between nodes की condition we will have to check separately. So when I am trying to change a value, I want to delete 8. It is a leaf node. So it will be deleted. When the node is deleted, the minimum number of elements, again since order is 5 by 2, minimum number of elements जो है वो 2 होने चाहिए किसी भी root node के अलावा. There is still two keys here. Minimum 2 keys are there. So this is allowed. This becomes my deletion of 8 is causing no error. So no movement will be there. Supposedly I want to delete this 18. Instead of 8, I am saying that delete 18. What happens is 18 is a non-leaf node. Since it is a non-leaf node, I will replace it क्योंकि right hand side का node है. I am replacing it with in order successor of the node. So I replace this 18 with 19 and then I delete this node. When I am deleting this node, this is a leaf node causing no error. Minimum number of children not affected, so deletion is clear. Now supposedly I want to delete this 16. I am saying that delete 16. Now it is a leaf node. I delete it. When I am deleting the 16, the number of children here is less. The number of children goes less. Now when the number of children goes less, what I do? अब ये right side का node है, तो I have to copy the successor. Parent में से क्योंकि right 14 का right side का node है, so I have to copy the successor over here. So what I do? I copy 19. Now when I'm copying 19, parent में एक node कम हो गया. So what parent does is, parent can copy still the successor can be copied. It is having 3. If I copy 20 over here, it still has 2 children. If I delete this, this is allowed. Minimum children की condition is still holding. So this is still a B tree. Minimum changes में I have still achieved the B tree. Are you all understanding this? Till here, is it clear to all? Yes, class. Now supposedly I want to delete a 4. If I want to delete this 4, then what will happen? Now please see, when I'm wanting to delete this 4, it is a leaf node. So this node gets deleted, but this only has now one child. So the condition is violated. क्योंकि ये 5 का left है, so a predecessor is copied from the parent. So that 3 comes here. When 3 comes here, the problem is that the parent में minimum number of key की condition is violated. So it now tries to see its another predecessor, but it cannot take, क्योंकि इसमें minimum number of children कम हो जाएंगे. So what I do is I join these two children. I join these two. So this becomes one node. After joining these two, 6 still does not have, अब 6 के number of children जो है वो तो ठीक हो गए, 2 children है, एक key है. Now the problem is that this key should go to the parent because it is also violating the minimum number of keys. So I have to make it in the parent. To join it into the parent node, I have to make the parent node come here. तभी तो सारी joining would be possible. So what I do over here is I again join them in the parent node so that parent comes here, and this becomes my final binary tree. Are you all understanding this? This goes in the root node. Is it now clear to all of you how the deletion is happening? I have repeated the same 140 वाला case यहाँ पे repeat हुआ है. Is it now clear to all?